talking hydro. Been a G since day one, you better check my bio. 3D to click, yep, we be the shit. Want a verse? A nigga charging 3 G's to spit and 25 for a hook. Got the rap game shook, crossed over Universal and I threw a no look. Shot a fade away on Sony and let that bitch float. Rip, Def Jam, then I dunked on Interscope. Fuck these labels, put some money on the table. All you wanna do for me is put a nigga on cable. I'm trying to live laid, sipping syrup in the shade. 3 cars in the mansion with a yellow bone made. 3rd degree, ENT, we top of the line. And you can stick that contract where the sun don't shine. Cause
players from the top neck, G, man. Players from the top neck, G, man. This motherfucker, that's where I stay. This motherfucker, that's where I stay. Players from the top neck, G, man. Players from the top neck, G, man. This motherfucker, that's where I stay. This motherfucker, that's where I stay.
Let me call my lawyer. Let me see a couple more installments, then I have something for you. I'ma need to see a big face like the one on De La Hoya's. Cause I got that old boy that had your nose looking like Latoya's. Have him fork it over, nigga, go ahead and check. Take the bass out your voice, a nigga demand respect. Program the wreck, I'll break it while I'm playing. Haters gon' get what they get, now take it like a man. Oh, that Lex Land stand on top of the sand like, man, I will not execute plans unless them grands in my hand. Goddamn, real buff and chillin'. Our cups running over, live all the stuff that feelin'. The dip doing flips for kicks. Keep them money flippin'. Drunk straight cocked and lit. Keep them 20s tippin'. Non-stop bucking shots until the gun hot, balled out and spun knots until the sun drop.
Show the trim. Watch the trim.
Ass on the tight right, sliding through my city, blowing Phillies full of top flight. Rim spin at the stop, chop like a butcher. Big talk, but you getting pumped like Ashton Kutcher. I might grab a gat and put you in a bad position. I'm bad news like walking outside and your slab is missing. A/ is pissing on any nigga think he run it. They call me treadmill, I'm quick with it, I been done it.